The meter will guide you along the calibration steps. First, switch on the handset and wait. The main screen shows pH and temperature. Fill the probe well with buffer 7 and leave for 10 minutes. The meter must be switched on while you do this. Then rinse with distilled or deionized water. Select the Calibrate menu and then Calibrate. Increase to 2 and press Enter to set up a 2-point calibration. Set the first calibration value to 10 and the second to 7. Follow the meter's instructions. Fill the probe well with the pH 10 buffer solution supplied. When it's finished calibrating, it will ask for the next buffer. Rinse the probe thoroughly with purified water or pH 7, then refill with pH 7. When the meter has finished calibrating, it will display a calibration report including the slope value. The slope should be between 95% and 105%. If you want to return to the slope reading, you can check it by selecting the Calibrate menu, Calibration Reports, and then Browse Reports. To ensure the readings are correct at 37 degrees, leave the pH 7 in the probe holder and put the small protective cap on it. Place the probe in the incubator for 2 hours to warm to 37 degrees. Without opening the incubator door, select the Calibrate menu, then Calibrate. Set a 1-point calibration. Set the calibration value to 7 and press Enter. Again, the meter will show you what you need to do. When it is ready, the displayed pH should reset to 6.97, which is the actual pH of the buffer at 37 degrees centigrade. A yellow C is a calibration reminder which appears at 50 hours or whatever the alarm has been set to. The pH meter should be calibrated every time it is switched off and back on, whenever the reminder appears, or when a new probe is connected. Over time, the indicated pH will tend to drift upwards slightly, even when the actual pH is constant. A new probe will show this effect more than an older probe. All probes behave slightly differently, so you should find the level of compensation for that specific probe at this point. The maximum drift allowed is plus 0.14 pH in 24 hours. The drift compensation feature can correct this. Once you have calibrated the meter, note the pH value shown after 24 hours. The compensation level will be this value minus 6.97. For example, if the meter shows a pH of 7.05, the compensation value will be 0.08. Select the Options menu, then Drift Compensation. Set it to On, then set the value. Select Set when complete. The meter will start a 24-hour correction immediately after pressing Enter.